Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to send money from Venmo to your TD Bank account in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds for everyday needs, this step-by-step guide will make it quick and easy. Venmo has evolved a lot, and with the 2025 updates, transfers are faster and more secure than ever. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your phone and that you're logged in. If you haven't already linked your TD Bank account, that's step 1. Open the Venmo app, go to the menu, usually the 3 lines in the top corner, and select Settings. Under Banks and Cards, tap Add Bank and search for TD Bank. You'll need to verify your account through a small test deposit or by entering your bank's login details securely. Once your TD Bank account is linked, head over to the You tab or the main dashboard. Look for the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to send, double-check it, and select your TD Bank account as the destination. Venmo might prompt you for additional verification, like a PIN or biometric scan, to keep things safe, especially important in 2025 with enhanced security features. Hit Confirm, and you're good to go. The transfer time can vary, but with 2025's instant transfer options, it could hit your account in minutes if you pay a small fee, or within 1 to 3 business days for free. Keep an eye on your Venmo activity feed for updates. A few quick tips. Always verify the account details to avoid errors, and be mindful of any transfer limits or fees. If you run into issues, check Venmo's help section or contact TD Bank's support. They're usually super responsive. There you have it. Sending money from Venmo to TD Bank is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.